Livestock and animal health are one of the development sectors in agriculture that the government continues to promote. This is done to create a healthy and prosperous society. One of them is by ensuring quality and safe veterinary drugs for animal health. NVDAL, or the National Veterinarian Drug Assay Laboratory, is a technical implementing unit under the Directorate General of Livestock and Animal Health of the Ministry of Agriculture, which has the task of providing quality testing and certifications of veterinary drugs to livestock and the veterinary community to ensure the quality of the drugs circulating around Indonesia.
Balai Besar Pengujian Mutu dan Sertifikasi Obat Hewan berdiri sejak 2 Agustus 1985 dengan tugas pokok yaitu melakukan pengujian, sertifikasi, analisis, dan pemantauan obat hewan di Indonesia.
NVDAL has a very important role to encourage the production of high-quality veterinary drugs, both local and imported, according to the International Veterinary Medicine Manufacturing Standards, in order to improve the health status of animals and veterinarians. The important role of NVDAL in ensuring the quality of veterinary drugs is greatly appreciated by both the government and the veterinary drugs industry in supporting the 3x Export movement, or GratiX program. Currently, there are around 161 Indonesian veterinary medicine commodities exported to almost 99 countries on 5 continents. With an export value of 7 trillion rupiah in the year of 2020 and is expected to triple to 21 trillion rupiah in the year of 2024.
Saya Suedi Sunanto dari PT Nutrisal Pacifics. Kami adalah perusahaan obat hewan yang bergerak di bidang pharmaceutics dan premix. Kami merasakan sangat besar sekali peran dan kontribusi dari Balai Besar Pengujian Mutu dan Sertifikasi Obat Hewan terhadap operasional kami. Produk-produk yang telah kami ekspor juga melalui proses pengujian yang dilakukan oleh BPPM SOH ini. Dan saya melihat bahwa kontribusi dari BPPM SOH ini tidak sekedar pengujian mutu atau sertifikasi, bahkan lebih dari itu. Pembinaan terhadap kami tentang bagaimana kami bisa mengembangkan produk, bagaimana kami bisa meningkatkan mutu, dan bahkan kami semakin yakin bahwa mutu produk yang telah dikembangkan bersama BPPM SOH ini telah sesuai dengan mutu yang ada di Indonesia dan juga mutu produk yang diharapkan oleh konsumen-konsumen kelas dunia. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Conducting quality testing, certification, assessment, and monitoring of veterinary drugs is the scope of activities carried out by NVDAL, supported by complete and modern facilities, as well as providing an information system on the results of quality testing and certification of veterinary drugs, or SIHAPSOH, which makes it easier for customers to monitor each stage of testing and certification of veterinary drugs online. In addition, NVDAL provides technical consultation, technical training or guidance, provision of experimental animals, test standards, virus seeds, and technical cooperation in the field of developing veterinary drugs quality testing methods. In carrying out its duties and functions, NVDAL has work units, namely the Testing Service Group, the Certification and Quality Development and Cooperation Service Group, and the General Section.
Kami berkomitmen memberikan pelayanan yang terbaik kepada masyarakat melalui tata kelola pemerintahan yang baik. Oleh karena itu, kami terus melaksanakan pembangunan zona integritas menuju wilayah birokrasi bersih dan melayani yang kami implementasikan dalam 6 area perubahan. Manajemen perubahan, penataan tata laksana, penataan sistem manajemen SDM, penguatan akuntabilitas, penguatan pengawasan, serta peningkatan kualitas pelayanan publik. Dengan semangat integritas dan pelayanan, kami terus berupaya menghadirkan birokrasi yang bersih, profesional, dan melayani.
In order to carry out its duties and functions and provide excellent service to the community, NVDAL is supported by quality human resources spread across the work area. Regular education and training are held. This is done to improve the knowledge, skills, and competencies of every personnel in NVDAL.
Kami berkomitmen memberikan pelayanan prima kepada pelanggan.
In providing services for quality testing and certification of veterinary drugs, NVDAL has main laboratories such as the Bacteriology Laboratory, Virology Laboratory, and Pharmacy Premix Laboratory. Supported by the Biotechnology Laboratory, Supply Center Unit, Pathology Laboratory, Experimental Animal and Waste Unit, the Biosafety Laboratory Level 3, and Animal Biosafety Laboratory Level 4. The results of the veterinary drug quality test are validated by quality assurance and subsequently a certificate of analysis can be issued.
Kami menerapkan sistem mutu berdasarkan SNI ISO 17025, SNI ISO 9001, SNI ISO 45001, dan SNI ISO 17043, dan berperan aktif dalam kerjasama di tingkat nasional maupun internasional.
An anti-bribery management system ISO 37001, 2016. NVDAL has managed to maintain its status as an accredited laboratory of CAN at the national level since 2012, and at the ASEAN level as a laboratory for testing the quality of animal vaccines recognized by the ASEAN Sectoral Group Livestock since 2002. NVDAL consistently participate in proficiency tests as well as periodic national and international comparisons held by the National Accreditations Committee in G. Deventer, the Netherlands. NVDAL also plays an active role in cooperation at the national and international levels in order to strengthen the national animal health and safety system. Develop quality testing methods for veterinary drugs, monitor the effectiveness of veterinary drugs in the field, control the use and antimicrobial resistance in warehouses, and build a network of veterinary laboratories.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Eli, Kepala Dinas Ketahanan Pangan, Kelautan dan Pertanian Provinsi DKI Jakarta, mengucapkan banyak terima kasih atas peran serta kolaborasi dengan Balai Besar Pengujian Mutu dan Sertifikasi Obat Hewan yang selama ini sudah terjalin. Harapan saya ke depan mudah-mudahan kolaborasi ini dapat terus berjalan, terutama membantu kami mempertahankan DKI Jakarta bebas rabies. Demikian dari saya, maju kotanya, bahagia warganya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
In order to provide better services to the community and increase protection against zoonotic disease transmission to humans and the environment, NVDAL has an international standard of the Biosafety Laboratory Level 3 and Animal Biosafety Laboratory Level 4. In this facility, it is possible to conduct potency and safety tests for both bacterial and viral vaccines related to zoonotic diseases such as bird flu, rabies, anthrax, leptospira, and brucellosis.
Dalam menjalankan tugas dan fungsi, BPM-SOH mempunyai layanan pengujian obat hewan, layanan sertifikasi obat hewan, layanan analisis obat hewan, dan layanan pemantauan obat hewan. Juga melakukan kerjasama dengan stakeholder, baik itu dengan produsen obat hewan, pemerintah provinsi, kabupaten dan kota, serta melakukan kerjasama dengan perguruan tinggi dan lembaga penelitian dalam mengembangkan obat hewan.
NVDAL is not just a technical implementing unit that provides quality testing. However, NVDAL also plays an active role for animals. the veterinary community and cares for the surrounding community with health as well as in social service activities such as on National Animal Husbandry Day and World Rabies Day. This is important to do to promote a healthier and more prosperous life for all Indonesians.